this is sort of the base for the next part that's coming along. In fact, you don't want this too slick up here, any of this, because what's going to help hold it right to give it even more interest. And what I like to do, see, like there's not much hanging out here in the little gray area. The gray is not hanging out over top of that taupey area. Let's use a flat trowel wash to just kind of redistribute. Let some of it get caught here and there. So it's not so sterile in these islands of taupe. All right, time for this to dry. Okay, so the Palladino is starting to dry, but what I want to do is knock down the high stuff for the moment. Remember, this is another base for what's about to come.